Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say they want it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is tonibryanne and my channel is all about beauty, fashion, and discovery. And if you guys want to see more lovely content from me, please go ahead and click that subscribe button right now down below. Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a fun video because it's all about this bob wig that I got from Amazon for under $60. Like, come on, can we get any better than that? So this bob wig I have on my head, at first I did a video installing it, but the video did not turn out right, so I was like, I'm just gonna do a video without me installing it because it took a lot of work for me to get it to where it is now because I'm not a wig wearer. So here we are now filming this video about 3 weeks later, I believe. Yeah. So this wig is Beauty Forever's bob lace front wig, and its density is 130 and it's Brazilian virgin hair. So this is the box that it came in. That's why I'm tapping on it. And please ignore my nails, guys. Y'all know quarantine. You guys probably seen my previous videos, but I just want to make a disclaimer because I am like slightly embarrassed by them now and it's just getting out of hand. I'm definitely gonna invest in some press-ons. Like most companies that you get wigs from, it comes with complimentary eyelashes, and it also came with this super cute scarf that I thought, oh, this is so cute, until I realized it has reindeers and Christmas trees all over it. I may still wear it on my head. Like, who cares? I love Christmas. I'm a Christmas baby, so might as well. On the box, it has directions on how to maintain your wig, which I really like. I think that's super helpful for anybody that is a new wig wearer or does not really wear wigs that much like I do. And it also has how to measure your wig on the box as well. So let's get into my wig. So this is the 8-inch bob wig. I decided to get 8 inches because I was looking at other girls' reviews and they suggested that I get 8 inches. So this wig comes in 8-inch, 10-inch, 12-inch, and 14 inches. And I think obviously the longer it is, the more money it is, but I ended up getting the 8-inch, and I did cut my wig as well because I felt like it just didn't look that full. So I wanted to look a little bit more full, so I decided to cut it. It looks a little bit uneven, like this side is shorter than this side, but I'm scared to cut this side. I feel like maybe it's just in my head, but y'all should let me know down below in the comments on which side looks best. So I love how this wig is pre-plucked. It looks really natural in the front. If you guys see me looking over here, it's because I'm looking in the mirror, so I'm trying to speak and look at myself so I know what I'm talking about. But yes, guys, this wig is super cute, and I love it mainly because, like I said, it is pre-plucked. I feel like pre-plucked wigs are always the way to go because it looks really natural. And also, I don't know how to pluck wigs. That's not my specialty. That's not my expertise. So it's like better if it is pre-plucked. And it looks really good, as you guys could see. I have a brown wig cap on underneath, but I also did use some concealer to make the part look a little bit more defined, but I don't think you really needed it that much. Like, 'cause this is like second use old concealer. Like, I put it on the first time I put this wig on when I first made this video, and I did not put any on this time filming this video. So looks pretty good, and it looks really natural. I love it. Like, just look at the blunt cut of it. The bob looks really good. Like I said, I did have to cut a little bit. I don't know if I was being extra dramatic. I deleted all the footage, so I can't really show you guys how exactly it looked fresh out, but I did cut it a little bit, and I definitely suggest you guys cut it as well. This hair is human hair, so you definitely can straighten it. So I've always wanted to invest in a bob wig, so getting this wig was extremely important to me because, like I said, I love bobs. I just didn't want to cut my own hair, so I was like, why don't I just get a bob wig, and a black one at that, because I just dyed my hair brown, so I'm like, might as well. If y'all didn't see that video, please check it out. Dyed my hair honey blonde, but it did turn out brown. It still looks good though. Some pros about this wig is that I love that it's pre-plucked. I love how it feels. It feels like real hair, and it is real hair from what they say. I also appreciate how fast it came in. It came in within a week, and I loved it. That's the best when it comes in super quick and on time, especially during these times. And I also love how they package up the hair. I love this little box. It is so cute. Love how they just packaged it up. It's like super cute, and the wig was sitting in here, and the wig was well protected, which I really appreciated. And I love how they have directions on it and everything and all that fun stuff. As for cons, the one con that I could say is that I did not like how I had to cut the hair because it does look very sparse at the ends, and that goes to my next con. This hair is 130% density. I like 180% density better because it is more full, so I had to cut it in order to make it look more full and make it look better. But it is really cute regardless. I think I'm happy with it because I did cut it and it still turned out looking really cute, so I can't complain too much. But if I could change that one thing, I would make this I would have this wig be a little bit more dense. The next amount of density they have in here is 150%, but like I said, I like 180 the best. And this is a 13x4 frontal, and I don't know what that means, guys, but it looked best on what I saw in the reviews, so I just got it. So I can't help y'all with that one. So yeah, this is this wig. I definitely suggest you guys purchase it. It's very cute. So for all my ladies that are into wigs or starting to get into wigs, don't really wear wigs that much, love bob wigs, I definitely suggest you guys buy this wig because this wig is definitely a bang for your buck. It is not expensive. It's only $60. Like, I definitely would suggest it. It looks really good for the quality. I would definitely probably pay at least $90 for this wig, but 60 is good enough. I'm not trying to up the price, but it is a really, really good wig and it's super cute. So it is recommended to wash this wig, at least in conditioner, like condition it. Like, I'm gonna probably wash this wig, maybe like my next wear I'll wash it. But other than that, like, it's good. It's still holding its quality and looks pretty good so far, so I can't complain. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video for any wig lovers or anybody that wants to get into wigs, like guests or even your dads, uncles, aunties, all that. Like, just tag them and tell them watch this video, watch tonibryanne, and subscribe to her channel. I will link this wig down below if y'all want to check it out, and I love you all so very much. I don't want to keep this video going on for too long, so I will see you all in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.